Hey there. I just decided to get outside a little bit. Such a beautiful morning. And do my cool down. Yeah. Can you see this? Trehan, it's the country. I'm a country girl. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, that's the garden. Let's go down here a little piece. You see, I love to look at big, old, big trees. Just awesome. I love plants. They give us air, oxygen. Yeah. There's always something new that can be discovered in nature. Something new and beautiful. So let's look and see some nature. I think this is a persimmon tree right here. Yeah. We'll see when springtime comes, huh? Look at that. Yes, it's a beautiful morning. I think I'll go outside for a while. Smile. It's a beautiful morning. I do 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 do. Where are the birds? I think I need to start getting up earlier in the morning, because when I was getting up like, I don't know, getting out at 7, and now they would be all in the yard. I like to see that. Oh, look at that pretty tree. Well, y'all, let's see if I can get this thing to stop turning. This is my first day sans cigarettes. No more cigarettes. I've done it before, and I know that it can be done. So, yay! No cigarettes! I want to be a healthier version of me. And I had to ditch those things. That was my date. Yesterday was my last day. So when I had my coffee this morning, I almost missed it a little bit, but I had time. When I set my date, I had time to cheer myself on and remind myself every day, this is it. This is the day. So you may as well get it all in. Yeah. So I'm rewarding myself with a little nature walk. Look at these big pretty trees, y'all. Look at them. Ain't they pretty? Yes, they pretty. Feels good to get out. It's warm kind of today. It's been freezing here. And so I've been waiting. Something about the winter that it's kind of depressing, you know? So spring brings on, it's just like a new year. It brings on new beginnings, new life. Yeah, we get close to the street. I'm gonna turn around. Let me stop recording. Hey, how you doing? Try to get some fresh air. Mm-hmm.
The phone on?
Uh-huh. I was just recording. Yeah, I had some unexpected company. But it's okay. I mean, that person said, they're riding their bike and they said, I want to get a mile in a day. And I said, that's great. You know, trying to get this thing adjusted. It's amazing. I never took the time to learn all of the sounds. There's familiar sounds that you'll hear in the morning, and they bring me back to times when I went fishing, you know, because we would get out there before day, and you will hear all kinds of familiar birds and frogs and all kinds of things. So when I'm up in the morning early and I'm listening to nature, it reminds me of those times. You know, quiet is not bad, you know. Listening to nature and focusing on that and just living in the moment, enjoying that time. Let me take some pictures. And I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful Wednesday, YouTube. Enjoy the day. There's no other time like it. There's no other moment like it, and you can't get it back. So enjoy. Love ya.